Namaste, Tim Gurji from Trading Emotion channel. This is Banknifty future market profile chart. Uh, Time is 9:13. 2 more minutes to go. Market how to open. So Banknifty that L period and last 30 minutes. This is a trading view, candlestick pattern. So last 30 minutes half back is this is okay. 42,790 is half back of last 30 minutes, and the pre-market shows that 76 point minus down, and Nifty will be a flat opening. So 76 points means we'll just have some validation, some what to say, 76 from close. Okay, 76 from close, then that open will be below this half back. So we have to watch how this market will react. 1 more minute to go. So I have taken this 1 minute candlestick chart also. 1 minute, yeah, 1 minute candlestick with order flow and with a delta support. Planning to record a live session, and I will let you know what is going to be our trade setup today. Let's market open, and we'll have hope. Mostly this is a flat opening inside value area, so there will be a sideways market in the first half. But these lows are weak. This L period, J period low is weak, so might be L period will be taken out. We don't know, and we have to wait the market where market is now opening. Yeah, market open exactly that below 42,790, and start. Okay, okay, market open above the value area. Market open above the value area. Open above the value area. So we have to watch, and what is the price, what is the action is going on, and market open above the value area. So I'm just watching what is the information we are getting, and after open market start coming down. After open market start coming down. Open above the value area, and market slowly coming down. So see what is the feasibility, and this halfback support is market is taking now. So 42,000. I will do one thing. I will take 42,800. That means 900. 42,900 P. 42,900 P. Okay, just 100 points away, and 42,800 C also. Okay, why? Because market is taking support from this particular halfback. Okay, and open is taken out. That means open test drive. Open test drive on board. Open test drive on board, and we have to wait this 1 minute candle, where this 1 minute candle is closing. So I will do 42,700 C also. I will do one thing, 42,700 C also. So it's almost 194. So the halfback is first 5 minutes 1 minute candle halfback is this is first 1 minute candle halfback. We'll just mark. Okay, one second. Yeah, so we have to wait, and I'll do one thing. Okay, red color. Okay, so this is first 1 minute candles halfback. We'll do one thing, we'll mark halfback. Okay, then 10. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the entry, not yet taken the entry. So exact. Okay, so but the rejection is coming from the halfback. So if this candle is closing green, I will go for a CE. No, this is a red candle, but okay. So I'm just waiting for there is a first candle, there is a good delta, but we need some confirmation to enter. Anyhow, the market opened above the value area, not inside. So that's providing me a good confident buyer, and taking exactly a first half back, that last 30 minutes half back, the exact the support is taking from there, and we have to wait how the market is reacting. The sideways momentum is visible now, so let's watch if this green candle, if this is closing as a green candle, then I will go for a CE. I will go for a CE for morning trade. No, I'm still waiting. Why? Because the not momentum was not there is visible now, so I'm just waiting. But above the open test drive, yes, open test drive, yes, I am going for a CE. I'm going for a CE now. So 40 to 700 CE I bought for 201, two lot, 201 is a two lot I bought. So I will do one thing, I will keep stop loss of 20 points. That means 181 SL. That means 181 is SL. So 181 is SL. I kept 181 is SL, my SL, and my target will be this. And see, there is any good target location. Open test drive, yes. Yeah, we can take this is a target 42,910, 42,910 also. So 42,910 and above, we can see some good momentum. Now there is a good up move we are expecting. Open test drive on board, and market taking support of this halfback, moving up. So I will wait for 1:1 ratio. I will wait for 1:1 ratio. I will wait for a 1:1 ratio. So my entry is 201. So 211 to something I will wait. I am just holding my position, and my stop loss is 20 points, just 20 points, and I'm expecting to market will check this high. That means 42,910, 42,910. Our target is reached now. So I am booking here my good points here, 251, 251. I am booking here my points, and almost 50 points, 40 points profit with a good day. So open test drive. Thank you for watching our channel. Do like and click the like button. Do subscribe. Do share our channel maximum to your friend circle and relatives. Thank you very much.